Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel again. My name's Steven. This is Steven's Garage 216 in Cleveland, Ohio. As you can tell, obviously this is going to be a Corvette video. And, ooh, I got some polish here. And, Corvette video, and I came across this simple little seal on eBay, and I wanted to give it a try because for those of us that have a cold air intake like this here, when you go to a car wash, see I got a little polish there, I gotta clean that up. When you go to the car wash, water gets in here and goes right onto your air filter, sucking up that water. And every time I leave the car wash, I have an issue, so I'm very careful. I'm very careful with the way that it's running. That's okay, that's okay. Let me get that because it's bothering me. Much better. So I came across this, and if you can see, it's got two sides of tape on it. It's just a seal, like what would be for your T-tops or whatever else you might use it for. I've also seen it where they sell them on eBay and Amazon for doors. Just make the door quieter. And they're running it right inside here like this, so when you shut the door it doesn't let it slam. But my idea is to kind of mount this here on the front of the car up against this flat, not this flat, this flat. Put it up against there like so, so that when I close the hood it makes a seal. When I go to the car washes, or I'm kind of eyeballing this right here. When I go to the car washes, I'm not getting water down in there. So, I don't know if you can tell how it looks on camera, but if it looks good, then that means I did a good polishing job, because I just polished and waxed the entire car from front to back and all over. We're going to peel this two-side tape off, and obviously this is going to be a very short video for just something like this, but for me this should really help keep the water out of there, because I'm telling you, every time I go get the thing washed, I can tell water got in my air filter. And it's running across that. It's running across your mass airflow sensor, and I can tell because it just starts acting really weird, and all I can do is just sit there and play with the gas pedal until it's cleared up. So I'm really hoping that this is a good fit. Somebody might say, well, why not shorten it? I've already shortened it. It's a Haltech cold air carbon fiber intake. I've already shortened it and done what I can do with it, and I might have just gotten too big of an air filter, and it just happens to land right where it is, but I love it. It's fine. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Look at that. Man, let me show you that on camera. That's awesome. So I don't know if you can even see it yet or tell, but look at that. So this is the shape of it. This is the shape of it. And right now it's in the car like this. So that little bit that you see there is actually this part here, but this, the circle, is actually making a seal in here, back in this area here, to keep the water from going in there. So it kind of sucks that I've already polished and washed the car and done everything I've done. So man, my hat, I got a crooked head. So I've already polished the car, washed, waxed, did everything, and then now I've put that on. So kind of pointless to go to the car wash and see how it works. Garden hose. Garden hose. Well, let's start the car, get the garden hose out, and see what happens. Well, if you can hear the idle, then that's pretty much how it always idles until water gets down in there and starts getting on the air filter. So let's see what happens. From what I can tell, it's already working. The water is just going right past and over. That's cool. Look at that. It's working. It was a good idea. That is sweet. And I don't hear any change in my idle. You can see the water going right in there. Well, it's not going right in there. That is sweet. So there it is. You guys seen it? Man, that is great. That is definitely a good buy, and I don't have any concern with any of this. That works, man. That really works. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very short video. There's hardly anything else left I can really do to this thing. Heads, cam, exhaust, like, I mean, it's every bolt-on, balancer. I've got everything I can possibly do or go any further. I mean, I don't want to do anything more to it, to be honest with you, so I can't believe that's the last thing that I've done to this car. So love one another, be kind to one another. We'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna get a towel, clean up this mess. Beautiful. Now I got a completely different rag that I'll use. This stuff here, man, that's all you need for a hood. 5 sprays. That's all you need. Okay, bonus footage. I realize I've never done a rolling, not a rolling shot, whatever you want to call it. I've never recorded while driving in the vet. You know, just to kind of test a couple of things every time I do a change or do something to it. I realize I've never recorded anything, so not like I've really done a change to anything now, but I would like to do a drive, and you can kind of see I got my bottle of nitrous back there. It is not turned on though. There's nothing happening, not at this time of day. See, we got a harness bar right here. Got the new peanut butter seats in. Keep forgetting to tighten that up. I got my seat belts hooked up. I don't keep them too tight. I don't like that. Sometimes I step on the brake kind of hard in little traffic like this, and it does that. I hate that. And then when it's got the nitrous bottle there, harness bar, like I was saying, the new seats are in, 4-point harnesses, good enough for what I do, just putzing around town. I won't pull the whole time. I don't even know what's going to happen when we get on here. There's a ton of people in front of me right now, so I'd be racing down the on-ramp for absolutely no reason at all, other than to waste gas. It's about the only thing that's going to happen right now. That's why during the day, this is like the worst time to do anything. Nobody's trying to race or do nothing this time of day. There's way too much traffic here in this area. Starting to get some people out of the way. From 30 to 120 in Mexico. Yeah, we're in Mexico right now. See, you just missed that license plate right there. It said Mexico on it. So, well, that was it. One quick pull.